Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to turn on or enable remote desktop on Windows 11. For this, there are total 4 methods that I have written on my Gear Up Windows website, and I will guide you with 2 methods, and two you can differ from this article. So let me start. First one is through the settings app. For that, press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open Settings app on your Windows 11 PC. Then click on this one System option in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and find Remote Desktop and click on this one option. Here, click on Toggle switch beside Remote Desktop to turn it on. When prompted, click on this one Confirm button. This will enable Remote Desktop on your Windows 11 machine. Next one method is through Control Panel. For that, click on this one Start button. Here type Control and click on this one Control Panel App Entry. Once Control Panel opens, ensure here View by is selected to large icons or a small icons. Then click on this one System option. This will open Settings app again on your PC. Here click on this one Remote Desktop option. Turn on this one toggle switch beside Remote Desktop. Once it will ask, click on this one Confirm button to enable remote desktop on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.